The Slug Boys, yay!
Here it comes. The gold man behind himself.
Who's this?
That's me, mate. Honey. Honey himself. Honey the giant. Drinking love.
That's just fucking usual.
The following contest is a triple threat extreme rules match. Making its way to the ring from Glasgow, Scotland.
Fuck, he's from Glasgow as well. Guys just walked out of Ghost of Hiroshima.
156 pounds.
Ever since I took my spot here at the commentary table,
Holy fuck.
Yeah, I heard some fancy thing on it.
to finally do it.
I tried.
Oh shit. Yo, my game's gonna get fucking shaken down to all. What are what's the symbols on your jacket then?
Peace and prosperity. Wisdom. Chatting
Wisdom.
Chatting very racing, sorry.
Highest level yet.
Fucking hell. Oof. Alright.
What's this mean about it? See you then.
Here we go.
Sorry. You know what I see you got holding it out, give up. Right there, man.
The feeling, the electricity in the arena.
Look, his name's like Ricardo or
I
something.
never felt in quite some time. This match is gonna be good. A guy who treats every match as if it's the biggest one.
Yeah, it's about him too.
He definitely plans to steal the show tonight.
He doesn't give a fuck, man.
Oh, I stopped. Yeah, but I stopped. Oh, my legs.
Oh, fuck me, man.
Okay. Ow. Yeah, fuck that one.
Get in the bin.
No. No. I mean, you're done now. I was wondering what the fuck happened to you, bro.
Oh, fuck, he's still finished, man.
How I do that? Well, here it comes. Ah, you go, man.
No chance. Get fuck off me.
Does that mean you see if you actually pin him, do you win the game fully, aye? Aye.
Probably.
Come here. Get in the ring.
You're trying to pin me? Oh, you fucking... You can't do it.
I didn't mean to do it. I didn't mean to do it. I know. Aye, because it's not good enough to you iced up. You ain't the other. Oh. Fucking chaos, sorry.
Get up. Get up.
No. I shall not let you. Oh. Right in the box sack. Clean up the fucking arena, you had it. Ow. Ah. He's choking me. Oh.
He's fucking you like the fucking smoke out of these fingers, mate.
Oh.
Oh, fuck me. He's got...
What I'm doing, that's right here.
Trying to pin me, man.
Oh. Oh. Ah. You're saving me, Mum! You're saving me! Nice! Fucking on me, he's on me!
Fucking scraped your butt off my body. You're off. You're off. That was like massive, that bar, by the way, but don't worry.
That's it.
Oh,
The
get
fuck
your eyes.
in my face.
Your eyes! Your eyes! Make it blind! Make it blind!
Look at team
blind
causes
man.
blindness.
Go, go! I'm not getting that. I'm not getting that.
We're such a claim as saviour of the fucking
Yeah, bastard. Fuck you. Yeah, man. Keep pushing.
What is this? I'm an old man.
No, you bastard!
I don't know if I want to go on this trip, guys, but you might have to because it's the target's been acquired once more.
Come here.
He might have put him away here.
Go.
This is in the pen. Is this it?
I was actually only getting that game, they're up free. Bastard.
Here is your winner.
What a performance. Huge win here in this.
Yeah, that's your first match you've won against Hurring.
Even imagine how any of these men feel after a match like that. All I can really say is that they put on
No, it was all because there was a fuck guy in there.
for the ages.
It's a face, man.
Dang, mate.
You're like the chatty bog me, but you've been punched that many times you can't.
Occur by
It was
pinfall
30 seconds.
submission.
Or was that 30 minutes?
The match continues.
30 seconds.
One superstar remains, and that superstar
Every 30 minutes somebody new comes in, but you're on fucking night.
Fucking to both of the guys would be out of breath lying down in the fucking arena, man, for the next one.
and from Los Angeles.
Squid, what tentacles?
The makings of an all-time classic match,
Bro.
and I fully expected to deliver on that promise.
Just had to get happy, you know. I think she's the reason why I've like grew up being into goths. I'm not gonna lie. I think she's like been the very first one, like when I was a wee.
I think she was the first for everybody.
Don't know. My first kind of golf I really get into, I suppose, is Raven, Teen Titans, if you want to count that.
I guess. Yeah.
And that bird fake impossible.
Oh, aye.
Chogo,
Aye.
Fuck my name. Yeah.
Green Mercy.
Fucking top black club.
She did.
That's Jack Scaler.
Aye, it probably is with the candles and that. I could be wrong, but
What did I say? What did I say?
You face cunt.
we just skipped it.
Superstars will be looking to run down the gauntlet, but the luck of the draw was not in their favor.
Missile!
Persistence. And these two drew the short straw. Oh, he flips that around.
I fucking mad on you and look him go.
Oh, right into a counter.
What did?
Oh, God. In a weakened state,
Oh, yeah.
guys. Boom. These are like a grueling gauntlet match. It takes serious stamina.
Oh,
Never
it's
run
fun.
out of gas. You have to be able to step through.
Here he is coming in, yep, he's gone. Ah!
Which is like you would belong in the afterlife.
Didn't expect that type of contact.
Oh no, he's role playing.
Wait a second.
Kick gets caught.
Oh,
Caught with a blow.
Fucking hell, man. Can I get up? Who's coming in next? Luigi!
Luigi!
Get away to the top turnbuckle.
like she jumped at the line.
DDT there. To the small of their back.
Fucking like AJ, no.
No, AJ!
Giant pin.
Jack Skellington's looking for a fucking stick!
Luigi
just fucking coming in. No.
You.
Try to like target the ref.
Laser focused on the knee and taking it up.
Okay, we couldn't. Mike Tyson.
I'm just saying that, guys.
I fucking love. He's getting
Oh,
boxing
fuck
gloves
me!
on.
Comes fast.
Luigi's getting him for. He's actually got his boxing gloves on.
I know.
Let me just take on like both of them.
Mike Tyson, sorry, please. Mike Tyson, no. Fuck you.
No. Fucking Luigi, man. What the fuck is
Now
this?
he's beating Mike Tyson to death out there. Guy used me king for it, Mike Tyson.
Fuck me. What the fuck was that?
What the fuck? See you later.
Get down from there. Get down from there.
Something get me doing. Something get me doing.
Hey, get back in there again. Get back in there.
Fucking Caillou's been manhandling people. We need to get him away. It's fucking dead Dame Marlon, something rotten in it. The ref's outside the ring, dude.
The ref is dead. What the fucking tempting my arse? What the fuck was that?
Ref!
No. Oh, Spawn's out.
You're really getting on me again.
You better fucking not. For fuck's sake.
This is it. Down to us three again. Who says we woman going to honour us? As if you can even put me out that easy.
I missed.
I tell you. You did my
Oh no, the referee catches a misfire.
Magic's gonna get Billy's the other now. The ground gets fucking bullied. The man lying on the ground injured, he gets bullied by the lassie and the guy he's still there up.
What the fuck?
You gonna get shagged?
It's begging time.
Yeah, like that.
It's begging time.
No,
No way.
There's a screw there, man.
Final entrant. Gauntlet match for
fucking over it. The ref just got stunning now.
Oh, so I'm get that. Your turn. Yeah.
Fuck's sake, man.
punches. And not, oh man, ref couldn't get out of the way.
And they shut the referee.
Yeah, you're doing. Oh,
Saving the ref. Saving the ref.
Forearm club. Thunderous
Oh.
comes down. Very effective.
Almost. Ow. Ow.
Fucking roll of ice, man. Be my friend.
Oh, fuck. Here we go. There go. Mate, you know how bullshit that was, but I like done it once and it froze for like a fucking second.
Aye.
And then I done it again.
That's what I was saying. It doesn't get enough time to even get 3 counts.
Yeah.
Overcoming this incredible
How do you feel while wearing him in the
Topics. Topics.
Yeah. It's because he saved the referee that he gave you. That's what it was. He's gonna get it if you never help him.
Pumping the referee, but
Yeah. I mean, he's lucky, man. Right.
It's pagan time.
I'm gonna get a flag. You just figure out what match next.
I've already figured it out, mate. Imagine some recipe.
It's when the muscles.
Right, you talk about muscle, so he's always been this muscle.
We've seen this man face adversity before, but this could be his toughest challenge yet.
This is the same as bad for my guy.
Let's see. I'm back.
This is an ambulance match. The only way to win is by putting your
I am
And you've got
back.
armor. And you've got fucking armor on me.
no disqualification, no restrictions. Given the chaotic history of these matches, I hope we have some X on
I'm
hand.
sorry. I'm sorry.
There's one. That one.
There you go.
Effective
Kill him,
Going
boys.
in, down to the ambulance, mate.
Well. Ah, no!
ambulance.
Please!
Oh, fuck! I didn't know that was a fucking spam.
It ain't your big dickhead.
Get in there!
Oh,
Hard and might be getting a look of their ultimate fate right now.
oh.
I'm gonna close the doors on their fucking legs.
Oh, yeah, mate, take it over my face.
No.
I will not let you. Oh, fuck.
I am the
sorry.
Batman.
Fucking again.
Oh no, getting dragged to the edge
Okay.
of the ambulance.
Oh, you said it.
This arena.
Fucking get now. Come on, stop. Come on, thank you. Here we go. Okay, that's killing me already, if you imagine. Oh.
Oh, fuck's sake, man.
Fuck you.
Get in that fucking ambulance! You're good.
Yeah.
Senseless right now.
Get in. My arms are not going to fucking give it anything soon.
Trying to force the first door closed. The ambulance.
Yeah. And sweating gives us.
Desperately trying to close the first of two doors.
You bastard.
Escape, that's incredible. What
Oh.
resolve.
It's fucking Johnny.
The ambulance appears to be completely defenseless right now. This is a hell of a spot.
Please. No.
Halfway, one door. We could be looking at the end here.
Oh,
I got the first door shut.
fucking. Hey. Please.
You forget, I am vengeance.
You. Hopefully I can get it this fucking time.
Desperately trying to close the first of two doors. You can't get it done. Halfway there.
Oh, it just lasted the longest. Fucking sweating. I can't see it anymore. You chucked me right in.
Not where this superstar wants to be right. Doing their best just to shut that first door.
Yes, no.
Pushing everything they've got.
You going into fucking labour or something?
Try to fucking keep the door open. Oh yeah.
No way, man!
We got something big. No. That was a crushing dive
Oh,
off the
fuck, that picked you up.
How eager getting dragged to the edge of the ambulance.
Go again, man.
Desperately trying to close the first.
Oh, what?
One more. Everyone.
Pushing with every fiber of their being. This
Yeah.
landed
Thank you. Yeah, that's important to do. That's not last one. I don't think you can do that. No.
And I can't fucking throw you or nothing.
what's coming next. Taking their time. Touchdown. Took the wind right out of you. Big forearm. Ooh, whoa. By your business. Are we close to hearing the sirens?
Fuck's sake.
Trying to at least one more door to end this carnage.
Watch your hard as well.
Trying to close this second door with a man.
What's your heart?
Yeah, I was imagining the voice. Fucking my arm just was fucked after that, mate. I couldn't do it anymore. Oh, you got it.
For this ambulance match. Shutting those ambulance doors had to feel very good. No question, that's a hard-earned win.
Fuck's sake.